and conquered the grave. Jesus conquered the grave. Savior, he can move the mountains. My God is mighty to save.
At Restoration, you'll find a community that thrives on loving each other. We're a diverse group, each with our own story and a common desire to grow in our relationship with God and to grow His kingdom. Through Sunday school classes, children's and youth programs, Bible studies, local and global mission outreach, worship services, and more. Restoration offers a variety of ways to get connected. Our comfortable, contemporary worship is uplifting and the message is enlightening in a hopeful, spirit-led atmosphere.
Let the whole world see. We're singing for the glory.
I'm going to think about the best, not the worst. The beautiful, not the ugly. The things to praise, not the things to curse. And there's not a person in this room that can't say, God, have mercy on me.
Get restored to God. Get connected to others and love them as God has called you to do. Go global with the love of God, taking His love and grace to all corners of the earth.